Ever wondered what lies behind the buzz when a company goes public? What is this grand event called an initial public offering, or is commonly known an IPO? An initial public offering, or IPO, is the process by which a private company transforms into a public entity by offering its shares for sale to the general public for the first time. Imagine it as a grand opening of a store, but in this case, the store is a company, and the products are shares. So why do companies decide to take this significant step? The primary reason is capital. By selling shares to the public, companies can raise substantial funds that can be used to fuel growth, expand operations, fund research and development, or even pay off existing debt. Additionally, an IPO offers liquidity to the company's early investors, including founders and employees, allowing them to sell their shares in the open market and potentially make a profit. But how does this process unfold? First, the company hires an investment bank to handle the IPO. Together, they determine the initial offering price of the shares based on market conditions, the company's financials, and other factors. The bank then buys the shares from the company and sells them on the market during the IPO. As an investor, once the IPO launches, you can buy the company's shares through your brokerage account, just like you would any other publicly traded company. However, remember that with the potential for high returns, IPOs also carry a degree of risk. The stock's price can be highly volatile, especially in the early days following the IPO. It may take time for the company to establish its standing in the market, and there's always the risk that the company may not perform as expected. So if you're considering investing in an IPO, it's crucial to do your homework. Understand the company's business model, read through its prospectus, and assess its potential for growth. To wrap up, an IPO is a significant event for both the company going public and potential investors. It's the company's grand entrance into the public market, and for investors, it's an opportunity to get in on the ground floor. But as with any investment, it's crucial to approach IPOs with a clear understanding of the process and the risks involved. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding IPOs. With this knowledge, you're one step closer to navigating the exciting world of stock market investing like a pro.